Are you curious if aliens have a secret language? Imagine if it's all quantum quirkiness. Let's unlock the cosmic code. Picture this. Alien civilizations light years apart, sending messages instantly using quantum entanglement. Could Earth ever tap into these signals? Let's dive into the science and the wild possibilities. To understand how aliens might communicate through quantum entanglement, we first need to grasp what quantum entanglement actually is. Imagine two particles that become so intimately connected that measuring one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance because it seemed to violate the speed of light limit. But quantum entanglement doesn't actually send information faster than light. It creates a correlation that exists outside our normal understanding of space and time. Now imagine an alien civilization millions of years more advanced than us. They've mastered quantum mechanics in ways we can barely comprehend. Instead of radio waves that take years to cross space, they've built a quantum communication network spanning their entire galaxy. Picture massive quantum transmitters on alien worlds, creating entangled particle pairs and distributing them across their empire. When one civilization manipulates their particles, their partners across the galaxy instantly know, creating a real-time communication network that defies our understanding of physics. Here on Earth, we're just beginning to scratch the surface of quantum communication. Scientists have successfully demonstrated quantum entanglement over hundreds of kilometers. We're even developing a quantum internet that could revolutionize secure communications. But we're still decades away from the kind of technology an advanced alien civilization might possess. The question is, could we detect alien quantum communications? Our current SETI programs search for radio signals, but quantum entanglement might be completely invisible to our instruments. However, some scientists theorize that large-scale quantum communication networks might create detectable disturbances in the quantum vacuum of space itself. If alien civilizations are indeed communicating through quantum entanglement, it would mean we're surrounded by conversations we can't hear, isolated in our primitive electromagnetic bubble. But imagine the moment we crack the code. When humanity first taps into this cosmic quantum network, it would be the greatest discovery in our species' history. Access to alien quantum communication could catapult our civilization forward by millions of years, giving us instant access to the knowledge and wisdom of countless worlds. We might discover we're not alone, but part of a vast galactic community that's been waiting for us to develop the technology to join the conversation. Of course, many physicists remain skeptical. Quantum entanglement, they argue, cannot actually transmit information, only correlations. The no communication theorem suggests that entanglement alone cannot send messages. But what if advanced civilizations have found ways around these limitations that we haven't discovered yet? There's also the problem of quantum decoherence. Entangled particles are incredibly fragile and easily disrupted by their environment. But perhaps alien civilizations have mastered techniques to maintain quantum coherence across galactic distances, using methods we can't even imagine. Today's quantum researchers are pushing the boundaries. China has launched quantum communication satellites, and scientists worldwide are extending entanglement distances. Advances in quantum computing might eventually give us the tools to detect or even participate in quantum communication networks we can't currently perceive. Next-generation space telescopes and quantum sensors might be our key to detecting alien quantum communications, if they exist. Projects like Breakthrough Listen are already expanding their search parameters, looking for signals beyond traditional radio waves. If aliens use quantum entanglement to communicate, it raises profound questions about consciousness itself. Could quantum effects in the brain be how intelligence naturally connects across the cosmos? Some theorists suggest that consciousness might be a fundamental property of the universe, naturally expressing itself through quantum phenomena. This could even solve the Fermi paradox, the question of why we haven't found aliens yet. Maybe they're all around us, chatting away through quantum channels we simply can't access. We might be like someone trying to join an internet conversation using smoke signals. The technology gap is simply too vast. So what should humanity do? First, we need massive investment in quantum research and technology. Every breakthrough brings us closer to potentially revolutionary discoveries. This isn't a challenge for one nation alone. It requires global cooperation and the brightest minds working together toward a common goal. We might not crack alien quantum communication in our lifetime, but we're laying the groundwork for future generations who might achieve this incredible breakthrough. Every quantum experiment, every theoretical breakthrough, every failed attempt brings humanity one step closer to joining the cosmic conversation. As we stand on the threshold of the quantum age, we face the most profound question in human history. Are we alone, or are we simply deaf to the conversations happening all around us? The answer might be closer than we think. In laboratories around the world, scientists are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, inching toward a discovery that could change everything. Imagine the moment when humanity first detects an alien quantum signal, when we realize we're not alone, but part of an ancient galactic community that's been waiting for us to develop the ears to hear. Until that day comes, we can only wonder, research, and prepare for the possibility that the universe is far more connected than we ever imagined. The cosmic conversation continues. Are you ready to listen?